Hello everyone, I'm Anushri Sridhar from Biomedical Engineering Department. So I'm here to discuss on the topic multiplexer in computer hardware. So multiplexer are essential components in computer hardware where they are used to selectively route the data and or signals from the multiple input source to a single input. They play a crucial role in managing and optimizing the flow of information within the digital systems. So just looking onto the overview about multiplexer. So multiplexer is the about the input channel selective mechanism and single output. So multiplexer has multiple input channels, and though each of the input channel is carrying a different signal or data stream. So selection mechanism is that a control signal system that is known as the select line determines which input channel is connected to the output. So next one is the single output. So the multiplexer combines the multiple input signals and transmits the selected one through a single output channel, and this is how basic multiplexer works. And the purpose and function of multiplexer is data routing, increased efficiency and resource sharing. So first is the data routing. So that is the multiplexer enable the efficient routing of data between various components in a computer system. And next is resource sharing. They allow multiplexer input source to share a single output and optimizing resource utilization. And next is the increased efficiency, and where they are efficient by reducing the number of connections and wires required. So these are the types of multiplexer. So they are digital, analog and optical multiplexer. So digital multiplexer handle digital signals such as binary data and commonly used in digital circuit. Analog multiplexer handles continuous analog signals and often used in signal processing and applications. Optical multiplexer combine multiple optical signals onto a single fiber optic cable, enabling high data transmission. So next is multiplexer architecture and components. So the components are the input channel, select lines, output channel and switching mechanism. So multiplexer have multiple input channels as we saw earlier, and select lines will select the input, and output channel is the selected input signal is transmitted through a single output channel. And switching mechanism is that the internal switching logic within the multiplexer connects the chosen input to the output. So the applications of multiplexer in computer hardware is the data buses, memory access and input or output. So multiplexer are used to manage data communication on computer buses, allowing multiple devices to share the same communication channels. Memory access is that the multiplexer enable efficient access to different memory locations, so they're facilitating data and storage. So a multiplexer coordinate the routing of data between various input and output such as keyboard, display and storage units. So these are the disadvantages and advantages of multiplexer. So advantages is that the reduced wiring complexity, efficient use of hardware resources, improved system and performance and speed, scalable and flexible design. So next is the disadvantages: increased power consumption due to switching. As the input is switched from one to another, the power consumption is more, and the potential for signal degradation or loss, complexity in managing and controlling select lines, and limitations on the number of input channels. So on whole, we'll just conclude it. The multiplexer is increasing complexity, and they are becoming more sophisticated with higher input channel counts and advanced control mechanism. So next is the integration with new technology. Multiplexer are being integrated with emerging technology like optical communication, quantum computing, improved energy efficiency. So the ongoing research aims to develop multiplexer with lower power consumption and better heat dissipations. Thank you.